Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find all of the different linked objects in your Google Slides. When you put together a presentation, you may be drawing in data from a lot of different sources. Google Slides does allow you to embed that into the presentation directly from those other sources. And sometimes it's nice to know what objects in your slide are linked elsewhere. In this particular slide presentation, this chart right here is linked from an external data source. If I go to Tools and I click on Linked Objects, it will show me a list of all the different objects in my presentation whose data or information is coming from an external source. It's being linked from that source to this source, and you can see this shows up right here, linked chart. Okay, so now I know that the data for this chart is linked in a separate, probably spreadsheet. And if I want to, I can go to that spreadsheet and update the data there. Open source would allow me to do that. Unlink would break the link between that source and this presentation.